Hello children, welcome to the online teaching session of class 5. Today I will teach you the chapter in English grammar, pronouns. So children, pronouns are words that are used in place of or for nouns. For example, Karan is a boy, he lives in Delhi. Here the word he is used for the noun Karan, so he is a pronoun. We use pronouns so that we don't repeat the nouns. Types of pronouns. So there are types of pronouns. First one is personal pronouns. A personal pronoun refers to specific people or things. Personal subjects and objects in a sentence. The personal pronouns I, you, we, he, she, it and they are used to replace a noun that is used in the subject of a sentence. For example, Ananya went to the path, she saw Niharika there. The personal pronouns me, you, us, him, her, it and them are used to replace nouns that are used in the predicate of a sentence. For example, my sister gave me a new shirt. Now, read and understand. Please mail it to me. Mail it to me is correct. I caught the ball, correct. Is the cake for we or is the cake for us? Here it is given wrongly. So, is the cake for us? This is correct. The pronoun you is used in the same form in the subject and predicate of a sentence. For example, you are a good student of our class. I gave you the books yesterday. Now, here is the table seeing out the different forms. First person in singular, I and me, and in plural, we and us. Second person, it remains the same in singular also and plural also. Third person, he, she, it, him, her, it. Singular and they and them are plural forms of the third person. Now second one is possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns that take the place of a noun to show ownership or belonging are called possessive pronouns. For example, the book is mine. Your book is on the other table. Each team has a colored flag. Their flag is the red one. Study the table and understand the use of different possessive pronouns. My house is big. The big house is mine. Your book is thick. The thick book is yours. His shirt is blue. The blue shirt is his. Her dress is new. The new dress is hers. Our pen is black. The black pen is ours. Their brick house is small. The small brick house is theirs. Now, third one is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are used to point a person or thing. For example, this is a huge building. These are books I bought yesterday. So, in these demonstrative pronouns, for singular we use this and for plural these. For the things which are near and for the things which are at a distance, we use in singular we use that and in plural we use those. Now interrogative pronouns. Interrogative means questions. These pronouns are used to ask questions. For example, who gave you my book? Which of these watches is the best? There is one book missing. Whose is it? So now reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used to refer to a noun or another pronoun that has been used in the sentence earlier and indicate that the same person or thing is involved. Reflexive pronouns end in self for singular and selves for plural. So these are the reflexive pronouns. Now, relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are used to relate a word or a group of words to a noun or pronoun used before it. For example, these are the boys who are selected for the play. The dog which I saw on the street was hers. The words in italics are nouns and the words highlighted in bold are relative pronouns. For these nouns, who, what, which, whose, whom and that are the examples of relative pronouns. We use who, whose, whom for people and which and that for animals and things. So children, thank you and have a nice day.